Recreating the Great Pyramids of Giza today, exactly as they were built thousands of years ago, presents several challenges despite our advanced technology. Here are some detailed insights into why recreating the Great Pyramids today would be a formidable task. 1. Lost construction techniques. The exact methods used by the ancient Egyptians to construct the pyramids are still a subject of debate among historians and archaeologists. While there are theories, the precise techniques, especially how large stones were transported and placed with such accuracy, are not fully understood or documented. Modern machinery operates on principles quite different from the tools and methods that would have been available at the time. 2. Scale of manpower. The workforce required to build the pyramids was massive. Estimates suggest tens of thousands of workers over decades. Organizing such a large labor force today, under conditions that replicate the original construction methods, poses significant logistical and ethical challenges, especially considering modern standards for workers' rights and safety. 3. Materials. The limestone blocks used in the pyramids were quarried nearby, but many of the quarries are now depleted or protected sites. Sourcing similar materials today would involve significant logistical challenges and costs. Moreover, the environmental impact of quarrying large amounts of stone with ancient techniques would likely be unacceptable by today's standards. 4. Cost. The financial cost of such a project would be astronomical. Using ancient techniques would require more manual labor and time, significantly increasing the expense. Modern construction methods could reduce the time frame but would compromise the authenticity of the recreation. 5. Ethical and cultural considerations. There are ethical considerations regarding the recreation of a monument that has significant cultural, historical, and spiritual importance. Any attempt to recreate the pyramids would need to navigate these sensitivities carefully. Additionally, there's a question of the value and respect for the original ancient wonders and their place in history. 6. Modern infrastructure and urban development. The Giza Plateau today is much more developed and surrounded by urban infrastructure compared to the isolated desert landscape of ancient times. Any construction activity would have to contend with existing buildings, roads, and utilities, making it difficult to find a suitable location for an authentic recreation. 7. Engineering challenges. While modern engineering techniques could potentially solve some of the logistical challenges, they would likely deviate from the ancient construction methods, leading to a recreation that is not truly authentic. Additionally, modern building codes and safety regulations would impose constraints that did not exist during the original construction. 8. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of constructing a monument on the scale of the Great Pyramids using ancient techniques, or even modern ones, would be considerable. There would be significant concerns regarding the carbon footprint, ecosystem disruption, and resource depletion. In summary, while it is theoretically possible to construct a pyramid today, replicating the Great Pyramids of Giza exactly as they were built in ancient times is impractical due to lost knowledge, ethical considerations, logistical challenges, and the sheer scale of the endeavor. The Great Pyramids remain a testament to ancient engineering and a mystery that continues to fascinate the modern world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into our ancient past, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mile High Vibes for more intriguing explorations into history. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.